bought this dress a couple of months ago, and unfortunately it's been sitting in my closet because I don't really know what to do about this whole situation. But luckily Busties sent me this breast tape kit that hopefully will take care of the situation perfectly. So I'm gonna try it out for you right now. Not necessarily on the camera, if you know what I mean, but. So it comes with two options for coverage and protection. I'm going to stick with the silicone because I want to reuse this. I have instructions too, and as you can see, the way in which you use your Busties is super versatile. Okay, dress is on, so I'm gonna do the application. See you on the other side. Okay, and here is the final result. Here are my honest opinions. The support is there. I definitely feel protected. I'm not gonna have any unpaid for peep shows in this. A little goes a long way, and I do think that if it were my choice, I could lift them more. And also, I think you can just use the silicone stickies for any other kind of wear. I will say that most likely, if I am wearing this dress out, I will be wearing some sort of support underneath. But for comfort reasons, and also this dress was really hard to maintain a shape where there wasn't any tape peeking out. I think in an ideal world, I would just go braless. That being said, having the confidence to know that you're not gonna have some sort of accident while you're wearing this dress, and also like just the extra stick to help keep my clothes down is really nice. So yeah, I definitely recommend this for special occasion dresses, maybe not for everyday wear. I'm not sure if it's comfortable for that. But yeah, I'm really excited to wear this dress now, and I think it makes the girls look really good.